Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Cobra VH1820 vertical bandsaw, made in Canada. A little surface rust from me letting coolant sit on it, but it's got quick lock vices on it like you'd have on a drill press. Just slide it in and pull the lever, it locks up. The head will tilt 45 degrees. It's a full hydraulic saw, currently wired for 460 volt. Comes with a manual and a box of some spare blades. Uses an 1.25" blade. I have it a little tight in here with some other equipment, so I can't get the best run around with the camera, but the paint's very good on the machine. See your side panels. There's the coolant pan leaning against the wall. We're not running it with coolant at the moment, so we will, we're not going to let it run too long because coolant lubricates the blade and the blade guide. But it's very simple saw. Oh, okay, I got to pull the E-stop out. So that's the hydraulic pump you hear running. Very simple controls. There's forward and back. There's your forward. It's vary speed. You just, that changes your blade speed. There's a hydraulic cylinder that pushes the blade in. Really needs the coolant on for lubricant, but there's your feed rate, your feed pressure. It's your hydraulic gauge. There's a crack in the plastic, but the needle works fine. There's micro switches on the side. You can set your stops. At the end of a cut, or you want to stop, just put that in the middle. That stops feeding the saw head in, and that reverses your saw head. Clean marble style saw, very simple to use, very simple to maintain. Check this machine out and more on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.